Struggling to keep your stock organized? Discover the best inventory management solutions that can streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and save you money. From cutting-edge software to essential strategies, find out what works best for your business and take control of your inventory today. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you which platform is the best inventory management software. And let's get started. So we have here 5 platforms. The first one, which is Zoho. Then we have here Square, Odoo. Then we have here Sortly and Bitrix34. So about the first one, which is Zoho, offers a comprehensive suite of over than 45 integrated applications, making it a one-stop solution for various business needs. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features ensure quick adoption and tailored functionality. With competitive pricing and cloud-based access, it's accessible for businesses of all sizes, plus robust customer support helps users maximize their experience effortlessly. So to get started with Zoho, you can just click over sign up and then you will find this page as you can see. So you have just to write your email address, your password, then you click over sign up for free. So also we have here other things. We have a unique and powerful software suite to transform the way you work, designed for business of all sizes, built by a company that values of your privacy. So if you scroll down, find also here other things like your privacy is our responsibility. You can just read this information to more understand the core values and principles that drives us. Long-term commitment, focus on research and development, customer first philosophy as well. So to do your best work, let's get you started. Then we have here Square. So Square offers a user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. So this is Square, and this is how it works with Square. We have here work smarter, automate for efficiency, and open up new revenue streams on the software and hardware platform millions of business trusts. So Square offers a user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. Its comprehensive tools cover everything from invoicing to inventory management, all accessible via mobile with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Businesses can easily manage costs. Plus, robust analytics provide valuable insights to drive growth and improve decision making. To get started with Square, you can just click over get started and you will find this page. You write your personal information, so let's go to your account. Signing up for Square is fast and free. No commitments or long-term contracts required. You write your email address, your password, the login, and we have here you click over agree to Square and you click over continue. Then we have here Odoo.com. So Odoo provides an all-in-one solution with a comprehensive suite of applications for CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. Its customizable modules allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. With a user-friendly interface, Odoo ensures quick onboarding and easy navigation. Plus, its scalable design makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, enhancing productivity as you grow. So we have just to click over start now. It's free and you will find this page. You have to choose your apps, free instant access, no credit card required. So we choose if we want website, sales, operations, manufacturing, marketing, human resources, and we have customization as well. Then you click over here, the first two the one you want, and you will find this page. Odoo get started and start access. You have to write your first and last name, your email, your website name, your phone number, your country, your language, and you click over start now, and this is it for Odoo. Then we have here Sortly. So Sortly features a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management with visual catalogs and customizable labels. Its mobile app allows for on-the-go tracking, making it convenient for businesses with flexible organization options. Users can tailor the system to meet their specific inventory needs. So to get started with Sortly, you can just click over Start a Free Trial and you will find this page. You have just here to write your email, your full name, your email address, and create a password, or you can choose the second way, which is signing up with Google. So here you have never lose track of an item. Again, simple, fast, and powerful inventory software for businesses and teams to stay organized. Then we have here Bittrex24. Alright. So Bittrex24 provides a comprehensive set of tools combines CRM, project management, and communication features in one platform. Its user-friendly interface enhances team collaboration and productivity, making workflows smoother. With a flexible pricing model including a free version, it caters to business of all sizes. So as you can see here, we have it's 100% for free. We have unlimited users and we have registered free. We have 5 GB and unlimited users. This is for Bittrex, and also it's for free for Sortly. We have also here Odo, and then we have Square, and the last one, which is Zoho. So if I had to pick one, Zoho would be the best overall choice for its comprehensive set of integrated applications that cater to various business needs, including CRM, project management, and finance. It's versatile, customizable, and suitable for businesses of all sizes. So you can just choose the one you want. For example, here in Zoho we have it's a unique and powerful software suite to transform the way you work, designed for businesses of all sizes, built by a company that values for your privacy. Then we have here Zoho One. Run your entire business on Zoho with your unified cloud software designed to help you break down silos between departments and increase organizational efficiency. Then we have here Zoho for Enterprise. Experience the breadth and depth of the Zoho ecosystem with the professional services, infrastructure, support, and security that a large business needs. Streamline complex business process. Build strong relationships with your customers and drive growth at scale. Then we have here privacy is our responsibility. We believe that trust is paramount in a relationship. We do not own or sell your data, and we must certainly do not bank on the advertising-based business models. The only way we make money is from the software license fees you pay us. Then we have here long-term commitment, focus on research and development, and customer-first philosophy. So if you are ready to do your best work, so get started with Zoho.com, and also you can use other platform like that. Sortly, Odo, and we have Square, then we have Sortly, and we have Bittrex24.com. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.